Today, we've got some exciting news for you. Just 1 week before Google's big Made by Google event, the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series has been leaked again. This time, we have high-resolution images of all four models in the lineup, and we're here to break down everything we've learned from these leaks. First off, a huge shout out to Evan Blass, also known as at EvLeaks on X, formerly Twitter, for sharing these incredible images. We've got a lot to unpack, so let's dive right in. The leaked images showcase the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, along with some promotional material. The pictures reveal all the color options that will be available at launch. We see a beautiful range of colors that are sure to appeal to different tastes. From the images, we can confirm the following colors: Obsidian Black, a classic, sleek look; Cloud White, clean and modern; Living Yellow, bright and eye-catching; Coral Pink, soft and trendy. These colors give users plenty of choices to match their personal style. One of the standout features of these images is the visual comparison between the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can clearly see the size difference, with the Pro XL being the larger of the two. This gives potential buyers a better idea of what to expect in terms of size and how the phones will fit in their hands. We'd also get a good look at the displays of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The images show symmetrical bezels and a centrally placed hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. This design choice keeps the display looking clean and modern, maximizing the screen real estate without sacrificing the front camera's placement. But that's not all. The leak also reveals 3 official cases and a leather folio designed specifically for the Pixel 9 models. These accessories are likely to be available at launch, offering users a way to personalize and protect their devices right from the start. The cases come in a variety of colors that complement the phone's own color options, while the leather folio adds a touch of elegance and extra protection. While this latest leak leaves little to the imagination in terms of design and accessories, there are still some details we don't know. Google may have some software surprises in store for us, and we'll have to wait for the official launch event to get confirmation on pricing and availability. Given Google's track record, we can expect some exciting software features to be announced. The Pixel series has always been known for its exceptional camera capabilities and user-friendly experience. It's likely that Google will introduce some new software enhancements to make the Pixel 9 series stand out even more. The Pixel 9 series promises to be a major contender in the smartphone market, building upon the success of its predecessors. With a focus on camera capabilities, powerful performance, and a user-friendly experience, the Pixel 9 is expected to appeal to a wide range of users. Google's Pixel phones have always been praised for their camera quality, and the Pixel 9 series is expected to continue this trend. With improvements in both hardware and software, we can anticipate even better photo and video capabilities, making it a top choice for photography enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 series is likely to feature the latest and greatest in terms of processing power. This means faster performance, better multitasking, and a smoother overall user experience. One of the hallmarks of the Pixel series is its user-friendly interface. With the Pixel 9, we can expect a clean and intuitive user experience enhanced by Google's latest software innovations. This makes the phone accessible and enjoyable for users of all ages and tech savviness levels. As we get closer to the Made by Google event, anticipation is building for what could be one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. The Pixel 9 series has a lot of hype surrounding it, and these leaks have only added to the excitement. So, there you have it. The latest leaks give us a pretty comprehensive look at what to expect from the Google Pixel 9 series. With stunning color options, size comparisons, display details, and some awesome accessories, there's a lot to look forward to. But remember, we still have some mysteries left that only the official launch can solve. What do you think about these new leaks? Are you excited about the Pixel 9 series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more updates and in-depth reviews. Also, keep an eye out for our coverage of the Made by Google event next week, where we'll bring you all the official details as they happen. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.